Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this hair tutorial. So many of you guys, after I posted this picture on Instagram, so many of you guys were asking me to recreate the look and do a hair tutorial, so here I am doing it. I feel like this look has become pretty popular and I'm loving it because it is probably the easiest hairstyle to date other than putting my hair in a bun. I need the sun to come back, please. I picked the worst time of day to film because the sun just goes in and out, in and out, in and out. So I've had this tool for a little while now and I didn't really know how to use it. My hairstyle that I was going for was this, but it ended up looking like a waffle fry or like a waffle. Like it wasn't cute. I don't know what was happening. But then I saw Janelle here on YouTube. She's also on Instagram. If you guys don't follow her, she's literally so cute. She's so pretty. She's gorgeous. She's real. She did a hairstyle and I was like, wait a second. If she can do it, like, come on, I can do it. Like, let's try it. I figured out how to do it without making it look like a crazy waffle fry. I never really used a tool like this. So it took me a little while to get into it, but nonetheless, I love it. It's literally so easy, you guys. Probably simpler than curling your hair, straightening your hair. I've noticed when I wear it throughout the days, all I have to do is add more hair oil in and maybe throw in some wave spray. My style just becomes really refreshed. It's so good, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's go ahead and start by parting the hair. I have my Glam Seamless extensions in, which I love. If you guys haven't seen my review, thoughts on them, how I applied them in my hair, I will leave that video down below for you guys to check out. I like to start by going section by section. And I obviously need to protect my hair. I use the Way Memory Mist. I spray it in each section. Brush it out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use my Bedhead Wave Artist, which you can get online. You can get it on Amazon, you can get it at Target. I will link it for you guys down below. And I like to go ahead and clamp and do this one pretty quickly and then release. And then right where that bend is, that last bend is where you're gonna start that bend. So make sure the first little wave right here on this side is going to be aligned with the last wave that you just did, if that makes sense. And then hold this one down a little longer. And I do it all the way to the end. And then you have created your little, I call this my sun chip wave because it totally, the waves and ridges of a sun chip. It's so stupid. Okay, but yeah, that's just basically what I do. And then I just repeat that, honestly, throughout the hair. I think the only hard part about this is just really knowing where to do the next clamp, because when I first started using this, I was clamping this, like, I was like, okay, do I go here? Like, I thought like I'd start down here and then it would leave this weird wrinkle in it. I don't wanna show it to you guys because it's really hard to get out. Here, I'll try to do this closer. Sorry, my lighting's like not good. So I like to start here really lightly. And then right where you see that last bend is, that's where you're gonna start the next bend. So you're gonna lay this on top. So that way it creates like an even ripple. See what I mean? Then it's better. So you go right where your last one was and press. Right where your last one was and press. And you really don't have to hold it for very long. I would say about like 5 to 8 seconds, just depending on your hair. But I would say that this thing does it pretty quickly. It's like, I don't ever really worry about it. right, so my hair is done. I probably should not have worn this shirt because you can't really see the hair that well. Actually, you can now. Never mind. So I'm gonna show you guys some product that I use. I've been really liking the Lucetta Biotin and Collagen hair serum. I take about 2 pumps of this and I just rub it, just kind of put it right where like I see a little bit of flyaways and like the top of this, because this look can get kind of frizzy pretty quickly, especially with all these lights in front of me. This stuff is super shiny. I love this treatment. The other thing you can do is throw some like thickening spray. I like the thickening dry spun texture spray just because I feel like this look looks really good when there's like a lot of hair and there's a lot of volume going on. Just a little to give it, to hold the style and give it a little bit more body. As you can see, it just kind of gets bigger with the thickening spray. This product in particular like will hold this out and give it a little bit of texture. So I just add more and more hair oil. One thing that I really like about this hairstyle is that if you are wearing hair extensions and want to take them out at night to go to bed, you can just clip the extensions in the exact same way you put them in and the style will still look good because your hair is obviously styled with the extensions. But if you just add more hair oil, and also if you have some sort of wave spray, that'll just add more texture and just look really nice. I usually like to put the wave spray in my hair when I'm on like the second day of wearing this hairstyle, just because I feel like it adds a lot more texture, and as days go on, your hair gets a little bit flatter. It loses its shape. So adding the wave spray really does keep that texture kind of locked in. This is what the hair looks like. Here's the back of my hair. Hot. Alright guys, so that concludes my hairstyle for today. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, super simple, super easy. If you end up creating this look for yourself, share it with me on Instagram, DM it to me. I would love to repost it on my social media. And the light is changing again, so I'm gonna literally go bananas in a minute. I will have all the products I use down below. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!